Watch out! Oh no! My bottle! Oh, my 2 bottles! Okay. Hey guys! This is Mathieu Tech Moto today, how are you? So I want to do a little review of the Kappa Airstream windshield. There will be a link in the description, Amazon link. This is what it looks like, the Kappa Airstream. This is the minimum and the maximum height. For my taste, I put about a 1 inch rise. So let's go for a ride. So I have put about 100 kilometers on this windshield, so I can do a little review, short-term review. I've been in the highway 15 going to Montreal, and now my visor is open. Compared to the stock windshield, I can listen to my music and actually hear it, and I can also hear the engine. Before that was very hard. I will show about the limits of the protection. Protection will stop about here, so it's protect the shoulders. This side about the same thing, it stop here. And I have about 1 inch rise of adjustment. And the wind start about here. This is a very good protection, but the most important thing is no more turbulence. So that was causing a lot of vibration in my helmet and sometimes dizziness. I'm pretty satisfied. I will give it about 8 of 10 of personnel rating. The old one with the spacers modification, I will give it about a 6 out of 10. And in stock form, no spacer, no nothing, I will give it only a 4 out of 10. It was very uncomfortable to ride, a lot of turbulence, and it will cause sometimes dizziness due to the vibration onto the helmet. And now if I want, I can ride the visor open and it's not uncomfortable. So I'm very satisfied. I paid $250 Canadian. This is well worth the price in my opinion. This will be a great addition to comfort for traveling. So that's it for today. That's it for today's. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy, and I wish you a beautiful day. See you next time.